Good morning. Thank you for tuning in today. My name's Dave Swenson, and I am in the parts department at TTG Equipment in Wabash. And I will be going over the home and workshop products. There's many offerings that John Deere has in those categories. We'll be looking and starting first with the space heaters, and then we'll be looking at vacs and pumps, as well as the generators. We'll be looking at compressors. We have both stationary and portable compressors. We also have compressorators and welderators that we'll be talking about during that segment. And then we have generators that are just standalone generators, and then we'll also be looking at tool storage. And the tool storage is a great way to store those hand tools that I'll also be talking about as well. But first, let's get started by looking at the space heaters. The first model I want to look at this morning is a radiant heater. This unit is designed for spaces 600 square feet and smaller. And then we move into our other line, the bigger heaters, which are great for much larger spaces, whether it be your shop or your barn. And they start at 75,000 BTUs and go up to 400,000 BTUs. And today we have some of the middle, 135 up to 215. These are available in both the John Deere green hoods as well as the construction yellow hoods. They're all powder coated, so they'll last a long time, and they are designed, they're tested with multiple fuels, so you are able to burn you have many different choices as far as what you'd like to burn in them. I'd like to just talk a little bit about our pumps that are available. We have both chemical pumps and trash pumps. They're available in both 2-inch and 3-inch. The pumps are available with either a commercial Honda engine, or they're also offered in a Mighty M branded engine, which is a little bit cheaper than the commercial Honda offering for somebody that wants the performance but doesn't want to spend the extra money for the Honda. And those pumps, they are, like I said, 2 or 3-inch pumps, and the trash pumps are able to take and remove debris up to 3/4 of an inch. And obviously the pumps, they have a 1-year warranty on the pump, whether it is no matter which engine you get. And those pumps are available, again, at any one of our 9 TTG locations. Now I'd like to take a look at the shop vacs. John Deere has 2 different segments of shop vacs. They have the PR series, which is a commercial, semi-professional use. Those come in 7-gallon and 12-gallon units. And then they also have the AC series, which the AC series are 9-gallon, which we have right here. There's a 13 and an 18-gallon unit. Now, these shop vacs are designed to be super quiet, and they're also, I'll show you a nice feature, they have a cartridge filter. So with that on in place, you can either use them in wet or dry conditions, and you don't have to worry about converting it over. Now, the 9-gallon vac, it has a 2-year warranty, and then the 13 and 18-gallon vacs, they have a 5-year warranty. But it comes with of course, the good length of cord. You have the hose, and then it also comes with your wand. And that's our shop vac segment. John Deere also offers air compressors. They range from 5-gallon models up to 80-gallon models, and they're available in both single stage and 2-stage. Here this morning I have 2 of the one of the 5-gallon and one of the 20-gallon. These are homeowner units. These are oilless. They also have models that are lubricated by the oil. And then we also, like I said, we have single stage and dual stage pumps. We have both portable and stationary units. Obviously the 80 gallon units are stationary. We have, I think they start at 8 gallon and go up on the portable units, and also for the stationary. And those units both powered by, they can be either powered by electric motors or gas powered motors on the portable ones. So you can take them to your job site and use them wherever you need to have the capacity for the air. And then, like I said, we have the big units that are perfect for putting in your shop for running the high volume air tools. Now I'd like to take a look at the John Deere generators. There's two different series that they offer. The PR series, which is for large property owners and those that have smaller tasks, as well as the AC series, which are heavier duty for commercial applications and those needing more power output. The PR series range from 3,600 up to 8,000 watt. The one I have sitting right here is 8,000 watt. This particular unit also has electric start. And so you can get a good deal of output and they're priced pretty good. You move to the AC series. This particular unit I have here is the AC 7510. That's got a commercial Honda engine on it, and that is rated for 7,500 watts. And this particular unit has the wheel kit added on with these models. You can use them in stationary, or if you wanted to mount it in a trailer, or they have the ability to add the wheel kit. And then also, if you were going to be taking it in and out of the back of a truck, there is also a kit for hooks to lift that up and put it back down. But the AC series, they go up to 14,000 watts. Now I'd like to take a look at the pressure washer segment of the John Deere Home and Workshop products. There's 3 different categories. They have the HR series, which is geared towards homeowners, washing vehicles, ATVs, and cleaning off your decks, patios, and driveways. And then we have the PR series, which is for people that are going to be using them longer periods of time and have heavier duty jobs. And then we also have an AC series, which is for commercial, industrial users who'll be using them a great deal of time. Now, I'd like to start with the HR series. The HR series uses the residential Honda engine, and then the PR series has the commercial Honda engine. The HR series, they're available in 1,400 PSI electric units, all the way up to 2,800 PSI gas units. And then the PR series, those start at 3,200 PSI and they go up to 4,200 PSI. Now on the AC units, the commercial units, those are 1,500 PSI up to 3,500 PSI. And you can get those in electric or gas models. The gas models all have the commercial Honda engine, and those are available in either a belt-driven or direct drive on those units. And on the AC units, they do have a 5-year warranty on the pumps. We also offer all the accessories for the pressure washers. We have extra hose, wands, the nozzles, as well as all the couplers and attachments to go with it. Now I'd like to take a look at the toolboxes, tool storage segment that John Deere has to offer. Right here, I have a 30-inch triangle box. This particular set comes with the tools. These are available in both 30 and 36-inch models, with or without the tools. They're also available in John Deere green if you'd prefer that over the black. We also have road boxes that are available to put in the back of your truck for all your tools. And then we also have storage boxes for your tools to use in the shop, both top boxes and bottom boxes. The last segment I'd like to cover in the home and workshop products category today is tools. We have both hand tools and air tools to meet all of your needs. Wrench sets are available starting in the standard sizes. They start 3/8 and go all the way up to 2-inch size. And then we also have sets for metric that go up to 50 millimeter. So it'll cover a wide variety of your needs. We also have ratchet wrenches available, both in metric and standard sizes. There's nut driver sets that will help for those hard to reach places, and then screwdriver sets. And also in this segment, there's a nice set of Allen wrenches with a whole bunch of different sizes. There's also vices that are handy to have around in your workshop. There's a 5-inch vise, and we also have a little bit larger, an 8-inch vise that's available. And then for air tools, we have the air impact wrenches, 3/8 up to 3/4, so it'll fit all the small needs up to the heavy, hard to get off parts. And then we have all of the things to go along with it. We have the air hose, we have hose reels, as well as the couplers and filters to keep the water out of your air system. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've covered a lot of material of the John Deere Home and Workshop products. If you have any questions on something you may have seen, or maybe you saw something and you'd like to know how much it is, please feel free to stop into any one of our 9 TTG locations, and we can give you the information that you need.